Halpin in center, and in right, Will Brennan.
Hao-Yu Lee's debut as well. And the pitch in tight to Hao-Yu Lee. We'll talk about that in a moment as he takes a bit low. Hao-Yu America's list coming into the season. As he'll take high and he gets a 4-pitch walk. Oh, good start for him against a pitcher that really doesn't walk too many. I mean, last year he had just 13 walks in 34 innings in AAA and only 39 and 106 at AA Akron.
We'll see the approach now for Ryan Webb against Jace Young, knowing what Jace Young did in the first inning yesterday.
Yeah, left the yard, went opposite field for that homer. As the lefty kicks, fires, it's outside, ball 4. Jace Young gets a walk. And 2 aboard, both via free passes, 8 straight misses for Ryan Webb. Standing in, just. And the pitch. Malloy strokes this one to left. That's going to get down. Up against the wall it goes. Rounding third is Lee. He will score. And Justin Henry Malloy delivers here in the opening. Matt Gage came in, got the final out. There was one for the Clippers, even though he's missed the zone more than he's been in it. Swing and a miss. Hao-Yu Lee is at the plate. Walked his first time up, scored a run.
Definitely a little more wiggle room now for Ryan Webb to be more aggressive and attack these Mud Hens hitters as opposed to staying away like he did quite often.
As the delivery is lifted high in the air, this is heading towards the right field corner, but it's going to hang up and on the warning track, making the grab is Brennan, the right fielder. 1 up, 1 gone for the Hens in their half of the third. 2 innings of work. I love this. 31 Ks, 4 walks. That's it.
And a ground ball to the right side, fielded by time to list out. Get more with AAA. Swinging a Mitch on a pitch that sails. Jacobs taking his time before this delivery. The 0-1 is outside, and Hao-Yu Lee does not offer at that one.
And tried to get him to go with another slider. He wouldn't go after it. Jacobs just 23 years of age. 18th round pick back at 22.
Up and in. You get runner on first right now. Hao-Yu, one of those times where you're saying, you know, if we can get Young to the plate, like to have that opportunity to try and cut into this deficit. With our number 3 hitter waiting. Down and away, 3-1. Well, remember, it took him a little while to find the zone. And foul back into the screen. Here comes the 3-2 runner goes. And the pitch is up and in for ball 4. So 2 walks now for Zachary Jacobs. 2 walks, and he's faced 3 batters.
Yeah, the other one he struck out. So fielders are getting a little bored out there. But you look at this situation. This is what we were just talking about in the last time the Toledo Mud Hens were at the plate. If you just chip away, maybe you get these 2 guys in here. Make it a 7-3 ball game. Get yourself some momentum.
Columbus put up their 7th spot in the 3rd. Check of the runner at 2nd. Down and in, 2-0. Still a lot of time left in this ball. Even a 1-run deficit with a shot here in the 6th. Hard hit to right. It's down and headed to the corner. 1 run is in. Coming around, 3rd is Jones. On the relay, not in time, and all the way to 3rd is Hao-Yu Lee. We've got a 7-5 ball game. 4 runs in the inning so far for Toledo.
And a 2-run triple. Here come those Hens. And we were talking about Jahmai Jones got his first hit in a Hens uniform. Hao-Yu Lee gets his first hit in a Hens uniform.
Now it's Jace Young. He represents the tying run with Hao Yu Lee at third.
Good piece of hitting there, 110 miles an hour off the bat. As Owens rocks and delivers, ground ball hit to third. Young will go to second, one relay, not going to be in time. Lee trying to turn it, but good speed from Cairo. He beats it. He's on with the fielder's choice. They do get the front man and Halpin. He's gone. Pitch is bounced up the middle. He'll go to the bag for one. Lee to first. They got it. It's a 4-3 inning-ending double play for the Mudhens. Let's see. He takes outside, ball one, left wit.
Been on base 6 times today.
The pitch in for a strike. Now 1-1 the count. Leftwich delivers. And a drive high in the air to right. Look out, wind might be messing with that a little bit, but coming in is Brennan. He'll make the grab.